Hey guys, Kev here, and I have an unboxing to do for you. So this, I believe, is Fidget related. Let me grab an unboxing knife. We have here the Devo Knives Growler prototype. This comes all the way from Singapore, I believe, and I believe this is my Black Mirror Designs dial. This is the Fidget that I was most interested in from the beginning. So if this is it, I'll be pretty excited. It's basically a telephone dial fidget toy. It looks really, really cool. Yes, this is it. Black Mirror Designs. So you guys may or may not know that I have the Black Mirror Designs bolt, which is this guy right here. It's a fidget spinner. It looks like a bolt, goes onto a nut. Pretty cool shit. Pops off, turns into a ring spinner. Have a video on that if you're interested. Guess I can leave it out for size comparisons. But this is the telephone dial, and I'm pretty amped up for this one. Now, I wanted the zirconium, but that was not available. So I had to settle. Here's the key. Telephone dial, copper and titanium. This is number 27 of only 50 made. And we'll see what I think, because it looks cool, but functionally, we'll see, right? So you got the pound sign, you got all the numbers, and then you have this, which dials around. Okay, pretty cool. Does this rotate? Let's see. So is this just oh, it's unscrewing. So there's a cover. Now what? Does it, oh, this unscrews. All right, we're doing surgery, guys. This comes off, I'm sure. Magnet plate, magnets, and bearings, and more magnets. Okay. So I've heard you could turn this into a spinner. Now, that looks like rust, if I'm not mistaken. Let me try to clean this off. Let's see what happens. Hopefully it's not. Just gonna spritz it. Usually they come with extras, but I don't see one in here. So, let's see if that, no, it didn't come off. I don't know if you can see it. It's like rust right there. Obviously not good. The only thing I can think of is maybe it's not rust, maybe it's this material, the copper. Just gonna snap a couple pictures of that, because I did buy this off a pretty reputable dude, so he might care. There's more over there. All right. Still seems to function fine, so it's not the end of the world. I don't think I'd have one the same size. Everything else I have is probably smaller. The biggest one I have is the chicken dinner coin. And I doubt that's going to have the same size. Yeah, you see it's much smaller. Okay. Okay. So that sucks, you know? You hate to see rust and shit inside of your new item. One other thing I could try is a rust eraser. Does seem to be working. Sorry, I just figured I might as well do it while I have it apart. All right, seems pretty good. These are awesome, by the way. You can get these at, well, I get them on Amazon. They're like $6. It's called a rust eraser, and it's really good for knives. I'll tell you that much, because you get tiny rust spots or whatever, and it really does suck to have that on your knife. And sometimes you don't want to use flits on everything or whatever, right? So a rust eraser just kind of gets it off real quick. The only thing I'll say is be careful, because it will kind of mess the finish a little bit. So if you have like a bead blast on your blade or something and you use it, you might have a little smudge or something that you can't get rid of afterwards, if that makes sense. Let me just clean up the rest here and just zoom out. There we go. Clean the plates off. I'm gonna have to figure out how it goes back together, but that shouldn't be too hard. And anyway, what I was trying to say was, I believe you could take it apart and is this magnet messed up or what? Why is that magnet like a different color? Oop. It's really weird, right? Snap a picture of that. All right, cool. All right, so I've heard you can put this back together and make it just a spinner. So I'm guessing what you do is you take out this piece, maybe, because that has the magnet on it, right? So this was just laying flat, right, in there. Was it? No, seems like that would work. So hang on. Not sure you even need this, but we'll see, because the bearing we're looking at is in there, right? So this plate goes in. Looks like it sits in a certain way, like right there. Like that. Right? Nope. Nope. Think. Yeah, wait, I think I had that right, actually. I think you would tie this down, right? Then tighten this on. Tighten that down, and now not only spins in the front like that, here's a size comparison, by the way. There's the chicken dinner coin. Here's the Bolt. Here's the Mackie CP3. Hopefully those give you a good idea. Here's the Christensen Knifeworks Maverick S and Brian Brown Knives Jaeger M. All right. So that works pretty well, actually. I'm sure it spins for a good while, too. You know, it's a little shaky in there. You could probably remove the needle bearings too, so it doesn't make that rattly sound. I'm guessing that was my fault leaving that in there. But what I'm gonna do is put it back together properly. So I think the needle bearings were there, and then this was on top of that, like that. Then we had this all in there. Hold on. This needs to go in properly, though. Like that. Then this. Right? Am I missing something? Okay. Maybe this goes first? No. Maybe I didn't get this in properly. Goes in this way. Seems right, doesn't it? That has a 3 notches, so I just need to get it in with the 3 notches. There we go. Okay, hold on. Felt a little stronger now, which is good. My initial complaint was going to be it felt really weak, but let's just see. Oh, wow, that's completely different. Can you... Wow. Why is it... Kind of like a haptic coin now. But it's weird, because before it was super... when I first took it out of the box, you guys may have seen that it seemed less... It was a lot easier to move than that. So I don't know what I did. I want to be careful here and make sure I didn't screw something up. Ah, I think I know. Okay. This came right out before, right? What am I missing? What am I missing, guys? I don't know what I did. But seems odd. Now it's a little bit like, I don't want to say it's too hard to move around. Definitely not too hard, but I mean, the difference is astounding from when I took it out of the box till now, but no rattle or anything, so maybe I just... I don't know. I gotta say, I was really excited for this one, and I don't like it as much as I thought I would, to be honest. I wish the numbers were a little more pronounced. They're a little bit darkened in there, hidden away. I wish I knew if this was put together properly, because why was it different before? Like, I don't understand what I would have done that made it different, other than maybe using the cleaning it, you know. Maybe I screwed something up by cleaning it. So maybe I gotta just give it a thorough bath and redo it. But I feel like it's loosening as no. But it is cool. So you have the dial from Black Mirror Designs. As per usual, you guys will see a full review at some point. I need to do like a roundup and just do a bunch of fidgets, because I just don't know if it's worth doing a separate video. Hear how loud this is? It's basically a haptic coin, except instead of doing it like this, right, this piece is rotating around it, and it's making that piece underneath rotate, so I guess it's just a little different. It is very satisfying, so I might just get used to this. I kind of want it to be just a touch softer, but not as soft as it was before, you know? I think it's right. I think I got it. So, we'll see. Anyway, I think it's badass looking, that's for sure. I want the Zerk one. My only downside with the Zerk one is, does it have a rattle? I don't know what's rattling in there. Is it just this piece? Yeah, it's just this piece. My only downside with the Zerk one is it's all black, right? Where this at least has some color. It kind of looks like a telephone dial. It's got a little bit better color to it, so to speak. So, anyway, that's it. Black Mirror Designs dial. Shout out to Fidelis for getting me this piece. I gotta hit him up about the rust and stuff, though. That was kind of unfortunate in there, so... I love you guys. I hope you have an absolutely fantastic day, and I will catch you later.